In case of Bloom, it's not a money-making proposition or just about making a quick buck. Bloom really cares about what they do, which is bringing a positive difference to the ecosystem. And that passion really helps you along in the journey.
Bloom has been an excellent sounding board for us at Audio Compass, helping us think through the problems, think through solutions, or just talk about big ideas. That's how they've helped us through the journey.
Success is always this elusive thing that people try to define. And we think it's a financial outcome. It's not. It's all about the journey that the founder goes through.
The entrepreneur is clear that he or she is taking a bet. The investor needs to be extremely clear about the same thing, that this is a bet, we don't know it's proven yet. And if we operate on the same terms, we're always going to see that we're on the same side of the table.
As an entrepreneur, you need to keep iterating and ideating on new ideas and make it really work quickly. So the two most important things that I see from any investor other than money is a constant feedback as well as the right connects to get things going.
What I would look for in a seed stage investor is help me get there, and work with me as if he's on the same side of the table.
We have realized it's more about this emotional bonding that you have with your founder and be there for them every time they hit a bottleneck. And we've realized sometimes it's about founder fights, it's about fundraising, it's about business development, it's a mix of everything.
With Bloom, it's like having a friend that helps you introspect. And they're like a friend in the journey and they help you get there.
And to me, I think if the founder turns back and says the journey was a great one with this investor, to me that is success.